Hi guys, this video will be about tutorial on using Choeaedol app. As a new user for this app, you can go to the notice and then you can see Choeaedol rules and how to get hearts. You will learn all the basic steps that you need to use this app from here. It's not hard and it is easy to understand. Okay, so we are done with the notice. Now I will show you some of the basic things that is not shown in the notice. So at the home page, you will see that the banner of the idol that ranked first will be shown. But then you can change it to your idol's banner after you collected 1000 ever hearts on that day. To change to your idol's banner, just press the heart shape icon above. It will automatically change to your idol's banner after you get the 1000 ever hearts on the day. Then you need to send hearts to friend. You can send it 3 times per day. To send hearts to friend, you press the person icon above. So the hearts with the arrow at the side is to send hearts to friend. And then the heart with the arrow going down is to receive hearts from friends. And then you can see there's 3 icons above there. The plus sign is to add new friends. Like you just press participate. Your name will appear on the list. Other people will know that you need friend and then they will add you. You can also add other people as friends just by pressing the plus button at the side of the name of the other people. So the second button at the above, you can see your friend request that you send to other people. If it is other people that send you friend request, it will appear like this at your friend list. Just press on the icon and then you will see who sent you friend request. You can choose to accept or deny their friend request. You can press on their name to check who is their idol and then you can make the decision whether you want to accept or deny. So the last button above, which has a minus sign, is to delete friends. Like some of the friends, they are not active in this app anymore, and then even though you send them 3 hearts a day, you won't get anything in return. So if you want to delete them, just check the box and then press the button, the minus button above there. Okay, so next I will teach you how to post in this app. So if the banner at the home page is already your idols, just press on that banner and then you will directly go to your idols community. You can also go to your idols community page just by pressing my idol above there and then press on the ranking or the banner. To post, just press on the pen icon at the side there and then here it is. You can choose your photo either square or free size. If you read the notice, you will know that when you post square pictures, you will get 100 hearts. That is limited to per day, so you can get only once a day. You can also choose to post free size photos. For square size photo, if the number of hearts on that post is more than the banner, it will break the banner, so you wouldn't want that. So if you post square pictures, don't vote on the post higher than the banner. So as you can see above there, that is the banner. The banner is split into 3 parts. You can see there's the first banner, second banner, and this is third banner. You can see that there's like 3,603 hearts voted on the third banner. So the hearts on your square size post cannot be more than the third banner. If that happens, you will only see the first part of the banner and second part of the banner above it. And the third part of the banner will be replaced by the square pics. And to arrange the banner in order, the first part of the banner must have higher hearts compared to the second half of the banner. If you are a new fan of Irene and then you just joined this app, you can go to the Welcome to Betoki community post and read on the rules. You can also join the Betoki community Discord by commenting that you want to join the Discord and ask for the link. So at the Welcome to Betoki's community post, you see there's a lot of people putting like plus 1000. That is like the number of hearts they vote inside this post. So if you vote on this post like minimum 1000, you can put there plus 1000 also. And before I forget, it's more encouraging to vote on the community post and the banner. The community post is the post which say welcome to Betoki's community. It's more encouraging to vote the heart inside the community post, banner, or your own post because we'll get more heart rebate. If you vote on the ranking, you only get 10% rebates, but if you vote on community post, you will get 10% rebates, and then the person that posts the post will get another 10%, which means there's an extra 10% rebates on the daily heart you spend. And if you vote the hearts inside your own post, you will get 20% rebates. An important thing you need to know is that when you vote on the post, the minimum heart to vote is 100. If you vote less than 100 daily hearts, you won't get the rebates at all. Minimum is 100. Another interesting thing is if you vote in any post inside the community, the heart that you vote inside the community in any post will also be added in the ranking, so vote in the community. So you don't need to worry, just vote at the post in the community, like any post. But it will be much encouraging to vote in the welcome to Betoki community post or the banners. Next, I will show you how to get heart boxes. To get heart boxes, you just need to press on the pictures of the post, any post, press on it, and then you will see there's a heart shape above there. Just press on that heart shape, that's the heart box. Inside the heart box, there's like a lot of like different amount of hearts. There's 7, the lowest is 7, and then the highest is 1000. The amount of heart that you get from the heart boxes is dependent on luck. It's random. You can open the heart box every 4 hours. Every 4 hours there will be like 5 heart boxes for you to open, but you can get extra 5 heart boxes more if you watch ads. Remember the video ads that you can watch 5 times every 30 minutes? Yeah, it's that. After that, in the community, there's a place where you can chat with other Irene's fans in there. So go check it out. If you got question, you can ask there. Yeah, so I already talked about most of the basic things already. Other things you need to go through yourself, because if I tell everything, it will be like too long for this video. So if you're interested to join this app, go to my description box below. I have inserted the link to this app in my description box. So this will be the end of the video. Please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.